finally, the day has come. We're going to harvest pepperoncinis and we're going to make refrigerated pickles out of them. Just like the ones you get at the store. Don't go away. Come back. Stay. What's up, sister? What's up? What you think, Ritzy Roo? What you think? You having a good day? Are you glad Mama's home? Are you glad Mama's home? Yes. Here we go. See, we still have all these blossoms. I'm so hopeful, and all of these pepperoncinis. So let's get them harvested because they're wanting to produce even more. And I learned a great new trick. As I go along, you see, I find out little tips and tricks, and we're gonna put these in small jars because obviously our harvest is going to be small each time, but this way they don't go to waste. Okay, let me find my nippers. Whoops. Okay, so I can't find my darn nippers, so we'll have to use scissors. I've already pulled the red ones off, and we'll use these for seeds. It's my understanding that not everybody carries the seeds, and so I want to make sure I don't ever run out. Plus, I don't want to ever have to buy them again. All right, so let's see if we can do this one-handed. I don't have my tripod out here. La, la, la. I feel like I need to be singing an Italian song. Oh, darn it. These scissors are not very good. Ooh, did you see how much that plant came up? Look at all these. So awesome. We're making pepperoncinis, baby. I have waited for this day for a long time, and I'm so excited. The day is here. I'm sad that my first ones I didn't get done, but you know, we do what we can do. Sometimes it's just not in the cards, and that's okay. Just keep moving on. Whatever you do, do not give up. No giving up in gardening. No giving up in gardening. Okay, I'm making a mess, and I'll have to just come back and pick these up. I want to make sure I don't miss any. They're so easy to miss. It's so stinking cold out here. What's the weather like where you're at? Okay, so this one is kind of small, but I'm so tempted to trim it, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to. Okay, I think we got them all off of this one. I think so. All right, I'll come back and pick these up. Now let's go see. I think we have some on this. Oh, we do. Look at this. This is so amazing. Okay. Look at. Oh my gosh, Ritzy. Oh my gosh. This is so amazing. Cannot believe how many of these we have on this little dinky tree. Oh my gosh. I should say plant. It's not a tree. Is that it? I think so. Oh no, there's another one. There's another one. See it? No, you can't see it. But hi! What's up? Oh, you conked your head, silly girl. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Yay! Ta-da! Oh my goodness. Okay, I think that's it. I think we got them all. I think so. I think so. Look at all those. Look at all those peppers off that little dinky tree. I don't think there's any over here, but let's just go look real quick. Yeah. This one's not doing as well. It's not as happy as the other two. So you can see how we figure out where plants want to be. And this one does not want to be here. As a matter of fact, I wonder if I should move it. I think I will. I think I'll move it. It's another cool thing about 5-gallon buckets. If something's not doing well, you just stinking move it. So I think I'll move it. I think I have room over by the other one. So let's go ahead and do that, shall we? Let's see if we can't get a harvest out of this one. Oh, let's see, leaving me presents. Silly girl. Not the presents Mama wants. Okay, so let's move this over. And let's just stick you right here. I think he'll be happy right here. So let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. Okay, so now that we've gotten our pepperoncinis harvested, let's go get our brine ready, get our little jars ready for refrigerator pickles. That's what Jess calls them, but that's how you can do these pepperoncinis. I don't even have canning equipment yet, whether it be pressured or hot water bath. I don't have either of those yet, so this is the method we're going to use, and I think they're going to work out just fine. Come on, let's go. Okay, so now we are putting equal parts of water and vinegar. So that's the water, and I'm just showing the white vinegar, although you can't see it. Okay, we're going to take these equal parts and we're going to bring that to a boil. Now, I should have put the salt in now, but I didn't put it in until the end. I'm not sure if it matters, but just note that you should put the salt in now when you start the brine to boil. Okay, so this is the pathetic little chilies, pepperoncinis that I have left. I rinsed them off, got them ready, and Thanksgiving came, and, you know, just too much going on at the same time. And unfortunately, you know, these pepperoncinis are not ideal, but we're going to give it a go anyway. So I got a little knife out and I'm poking holes in each one of them. You want to make sure you leave the stems on, and this allows the brine to get on the inside because, you know, these are just refrigerator pickles. These aren't canning. And this will give us an idea of how this recipe works and if it tastes like it does from the market, because I love pepperoncinis. So I'm getting garlic now to put into the jar because that's the seasoning that I'm using is garlic only. You can put all kinds of things, and as I will put a link to Jessica's video that I used to come up with this brine, because it really is the easiest and the simplest. So I'm just gonna sliver these garlic and put them in the jar that I had prepped ahead of time. So just making slices, and those will just go right directly into the jar. Okay, now we're going to stuff our peppers. Now, ideally, if I'd had all of the ones that I'd harvested, these would be packed down, which is important. You want to make sure that you stuff your jar really full. So as you can see, our jar is not stuffed full. And what I did there was my jar was room temperature, actually a little cool, and I wanted to run it under hot water so that when I poured this boiling water over the peppers, it didn't cause an issue for the jar. But as you'll see in Jess's video, you don't have to use the boiling water if you don't want to. I kind of wanted to for pepperoncinis because I like mine to be on the softer side, although these are pretty soft already. But normally, I mean, I'm just pushing it down. I'm trying to get them to go down, but they're just not having it. That's okay. We learn every time, don't we? The salt, the Redmond salt that I'm putting in. And again, as I said, I really should have put that in when I heated up the brine. I'll know that for next time. I wanted to sniff it. It smelled really good, so it drew me in. Now you just want to hand tighten it. You don't want to tighten it too much. Okay, so I feel like this is a perfect example of somebody having the best of intentions and life still gets in the way. So I went ahead, I didn't give up, and that's the key. Just don't give up. It was so important to me to be able to have my own pepperoncinis and to pickle them myself. It's not canning. I'm not ready for that. And I'll be honest, the pepperoncinis probably weren't perfect, but I'm learning. And now let's just see how this goes. So now, obviously you heard in my audio that, you know, none of this was perfect or ideal, but at least I can get an idea if this is gonna work for me, and I can dial it in from there. So, nothing else. This video should prove to you to never give up. When you have a passion and you wanna get something done, just do it. Imperfectly, just do it. Don't give up. We're gonna keep in the community section, we're gonna keep photos of these pepperoncinis as they change colors, and we'll probably give a taste test right about 14 days. So we'll see you soon. Till next time, peace. Bye now.